So, Raymond, I just need you to tell us how you feel and what has inspired you so much that in all of those dragging, saying a lot of things, you are still doing what you are doing as if you are not seeing them. So I want to know because really, I ask myself most time that, Kai, Raymond is just everywhere. And they are insulting him and he's not even saying a word.
Okay.
Yes, so I really...
Okay. I'm going to explain a lot of things.
Yeah.
And I'll start like this. First, let me repeat the question. You said, how do I feel with all of these plenty insults?
Yes, and you're still...
Yeah, and I'm still doing what I'm doing. How do I really feel? Like, you know that I'm a human being.
Yeah.
Right? Yes. Then, number two, what is inspiring me to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do like this. Have you heard of Delta? Like Delta State?
Yes, I've
Delta
been there
State.
also.
Good. There's a tribe there that we call Urobo and Isoko.
Yeah.
You have heard of it, right?
Yeah.
Now, I'm from Isoko, and I speak Urobo, and I speak Isoko. I speak those two very well. Now, I don't know why you're surprised. Why are you surprised?
Raymond, I thought Raymond is from Delta State, okay.
Yes, I'm from Delta State. So,
Wow.
Now, I want to speak Urobo and Isoko. I want to use it to portray this point.
Okay.
So I will say something while I will look at you and everybody will be looking at your expression. Then I'll ask you a question.
Okay.
So, if I remember Luna, Ara Homaigo, maybe Wanyeta, if I remember Luna, Ara Kumaigo. Now, is there anybody in this room that understands what I just said? No. That's how the comment section is to me.
Please let me laugh.
I'm dead to
Let me
it.
laugh, please.
So whether you praise me or you condemn me, I don't care. So when people say, they pay you, be human being, I'm not at your level. Before I came online, I came dead. I'm a dead man.
Wow.
If you pinch a dead man, it will not affect him. If you can't collapse to cut his hand, he's dead. I came dead.
Wow.
I've cooked myself. There's nothing. That's why I have a statement. You cannot beat me more than I can beat myself. Wow. The worst that you can ever say, the worst is my teeth. And that shows your stupidity. If I've lived this world for 39 years and my teeth is like this with all the intelligence that I have and I've not done anything about it, your mind did not tell you something and you are stating the obvious and that's what you want to use to abuse me. That shows how minute you are. Your brain is so backward. You are so babyish. You have nothing to contribute.
True.
That's what it means. So I can't bring myself from what I'm doing to come to your level, to try to be talking with you as I don't understand.
That's true.
So the comment section, if you like, talk, it doesn't matter who says it. Wow. Even if it's a governor, even if it's a president, you don't want to know the kind of people that come to my comment section and come to my DM to talk.
Yeah.
I don't care. Like, seriously, I don't care. The truth is, I feel sorry for many people. And this is why. I could have been one of those people on the comment section. If not for the grace of God.
True.
So, I have mercy on them. And I forgive their ignorance. I forgive their myopia. They are short-sighted. They are not seeing. They don't understand. Many people are angry. Not because what I'm saying is wrong or what I'm doing is wrong. Why am I the one? Why is it not them?
Yeah.
Some are angry and upset and jealous and hating. Who does he think he is? My brother, my sister, you should be asking yourself, who are you?
Who are you?
What have you contributed?
True.
Then my final question to those, I ask, why are you the one washing me? Why am I not the one washing you?
He was always saying this.
Just go and sit down and think about it. I tell people, you want to correct me? No problem. I'm open to correction. But before you go overdo, go do your own video now.
Yeah.
May we watch your video.
True.
You know where we are be? Set camera. Do video first. May we watch your own. So the comment section is just this one is just for educational purposes.
Yeah.
I don't care about the comment section. To me, it's not really a matter. If somebody asks me, how do you really feel? Are you a person? Does it not pain you? Pain you how? That's I spoke Robo to you now. What I spoke Or what I said in Yoruba, I was saying that this thing we are doing now, is anybody paying us for it? So I was expecting your response. You couldn't respond because you didn't understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So, and secondly, I don't go to my comment section. I only go there by mistake. Or somebody tells me, somebody said something and they are pointing me to the video.
Yeah.
Or by chance. By chance. I don't carry my phone, I want to go to comment section. No.